Okay, I'm on the kayak. We're at base camp. I'm going to turn it around to myself here in a second. So I'm on the kayak. I got Julian back of me, the ace steerer in the back, is handling all the rudder pedals. She's going to wave back there. And I'm up in the front, and we're going to try to have a good mission here where nothing happens and we have lots of fun. But the kayak's not too bad. It's actually pretty good here. So, okay, we'll turn around here a little bit. And there's our guide is over there. There he is over there. And we have our other folks here, other intrepid travelers, as I always say here. So they're over there. And I'm shooting into the sun, which I don't want to do, but there's some back there. But okay, Ed Getley signing off for the time being. Okay, we're getting close to a little growler here. And it's pretty close. And we'll see if we can get up right close to it here. So we want to go to the right a little bit. I'm going to go to the right, so you got to put your oar backwards. There we go. There we go. We touched the growler here. I got my hand on it. You can see with the GoPro. And down underneath here, I don't want to lose my camera. We'll get out of the way of other people. Put that down there. Turn that off.
It's such a wide angle lens. Even if it's not pointed exactly right at the bottom.
I want to get on the other side here. There we go. That's good. Now, just want to go straight here. That's good right here. Yeah, hold it. There we go. Now you can see all the different marks on it here. Yeah, we don't want to lean over, but
GoPro takes photos. Kind of annoying when you gotta keep saying it, huh?
yeah. I hope I have water off my lens.
You did. I'm learning how to use GoPro.
Are you shooting now?
Well,
Yeah,
was
I
earlier.
am.
I did a little time lapse, I think. Here, watch this though. Do that again.
We
GoPro
got
takes
you on
photos.
there.
There you go. Good? Yeah? Or you can do GoPro take video. GoPro take video.
So there we had it, right there. We have a little growler right there, so it's right here. We're right next to it, as you can see me here. It's right in the back. Okay, see you later. Totally soaked.
Well, easier to.
I want to go back here. Make sure you hold on to it good.
Got it by the straw. Here we go.
Okay, I'm right here by the ice. I got my hand on the ice. And there it is. Here is my oar there. And we're here at a big chunk of ice. We're going to circumnavigate this bad boy here. And we're going to see how she looks underwater here in a second. I'll get my camera down. Okay, we're on the kayak here and trying to get my hand in here. Okay, we're right here by a little iceberg. Got my hand right on it here, and you can see it's right there. Lots of ice. I can pick it off here with my hand, and little pieces were coming off. I hope it doesn't roll over on us while we're here. So that would be borderline disaster, but not total disaster. Look at that ice. There you go. Look at that ice. And there's a lot underneath it here too. Bubbles coming up from underneath there. So all kinds of stuff. And here's our other guys out there. I don't want to lose my... Oh, here's another chunk of ice where we are at. And another big chunk over there. Base camp is back that way. I don't want to turn because I don't want to flip over. Keep my center of gravity here. Right here, right next to it. Put my hand touching the old growler here. Used to be part of a glacier or a berg here at one time, but now it's on its dying days here. Soon to be no more. But we're going to take a look, see what's underneath here. There's our base camp up ahead.